What is up, guys? This is Justin. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, this is all jacked up. Can you see it? Today is episode 2 of Can I Make $1,000 in 30-Day Challenge. If you haven't watched the first video, I'm gonna leave it right here where I go over my plan and how I got started. I'm using full print on demand. I'm selling canvases online on my Shopify store. In that video, I go over everything how I needed to get set up, everything to this point. And today I have a great video that I'm excited to tell you about. We're gonna go over my plan for the next week where I start running my ads. I create a video for my ads, and then you're just gonna follow me through the process of this next week. So hopefully you like this style of video. Let me know if you do in the comments section below and smash the like button. But look at, I have, before we get in the video, I just wanna let you know the samples, the final samples have arrived. So I'm pretty excited to show you guys. So here they are. Boom, got this one. Can you see it? There it is. Pretty nice canvas. There's a couple. You got the name down here. Came out really good. I'm super happy. It's clean. There's that one. Oh, smack the camera again. There we go. And the second one, let me back up here. And boom. Can you see it? That is me and my wife and our mini pig right there. Can you see the mini pig? Is he not adorable? All right, so this one came out super good. I'm super stoked how it came out. Man, the colors are vibrant as can be. This is like really good printing. So I'd be happy to buy this. If I bought this, I would be super stoked. So I have 3 really good artists that are making these prints, and we have 5 products total in our store. Everything's ready to go. I am so excited. So here's my plan for the next week. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna create a little video. I upload and edit my videos for YouTube on iMovie that came with my Mac. I don't have expensive software. So I'm gonna edit ad for my product with iMovie. We're gonna see how it comes out. If it doesn't come out great, I might go back on Fiverr and order someone to make me a video. We'll see how that goes. We're gonna play it out by ear. My plan is to just dump money in Facebook ads slowly. I'm gonna make like different campaigns. I'm gonna have some different ad sets where I run different ads to see what does best. I'm gonna test, turn some off, add some more, and I'm gonna just test until we figure out what works, what doesn't. See if I get some sales. Hopefully I do. If I don't, what's up, guys? So here we are. I've got my Facebook ads set up. I've got 2 running. I've got 2 running right here. I shut these ones off because they weren't doing so great. I've also got some Etsy ads that I've been running. So I've got those 3 running. We're going to see how it goes. I'm getting some decent traction as far as traffic. No conversions yet, but I am getting some clicks. I'm getting some link clicks. I'm getting some likes on the ads. So I'm just checking in. We're going to see how it goes. No sales yet.
A few moments later.
What's up, guys? So I've been running ads for about 3 days now, and I'm feeling like really discouraged. I'm getting some good amount of traffic to my website. People are coming. People are spending time on the website, and then they're just leaving. And I'm getting discouraged. If I want to show you guys this, so I'm gonna right here. Can you see it? So I started showing, as you can see, it's progressing. I'm spending a little more, and I'm just really I'm not getting any sales, and I'm spending a good amount of money each day. I think I have like 2 ad sets running for $10 a day and 1 running at $20 a day, and then I have some Google ads running. And just nothing's happening. So I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna keep going, but I just want to let you guys know, like, I don't know if I just had like an unrealistic expectation. Like as soon as I set up my store, millions of people were gonna come and I was just gonna make a gang of money. But I just want to be honest with you guys and real. Like it's kind of like, I don't know, did I just waste, you know, like $300, $400, $500 on something that's not even gonna make one sale? What's up, guys? So I've been having like a super difficult time with this. Nothing seems to be working. I've tried just like a bunch of different things. I've kind of just thrown it out there to see what happens. I've like created like 10 different campaigns on Facebook, shut some off because they were too expensive, they weren't working, nothing's converting. I've tried this, I've tried that, spent less money, spent more money. I went and tried Google ads to see, you know, pay-per-click, to see, you know, get my search results at the top. Nothing. I started selling on Etsy. Hopefully, you know, maybe that kind of fits that market. No sales. Did some advertising on Etsy. Still no sales. And it's just like, I don't know what, and I don't know what's not working. Obviously, if I've spent, let's see how much I've spent. I spent $444. I have $17 left. I've pretty much spent all of my money on ads, and I don't have much to amount for it. I haven't made one sale through the ads. None of them are converting. And so I'm going to begin like changing things. I don't know if my website doesn't look professional enough. So maybe I'm going to just spend some more time designing. Maybe people aren't understanding what it is that I'm doing. Maybe my, you know, brand isn't clear enough. Like we're taking your family photos and we're, you know, making them cartoon and printing them on canvas. Maybe it's not clear, so people aren't buying because they just don't understand. So I think I'm going to put some things like maybe an infographic or something together to put on the website that kind of makes a little more sense so that people can see what we do. It could be maybe my prices are too high. I know I had it starting at $139 for the cheapest, smallest canvas, and then it's the most expensive one starting at $159 for the small size, all the way up to like $211 for the biggest one for the most expensive. So I've since lowered my prices. They start at $109 now, and then the more expensive ones start at $119 for the smaller sizes and go all the way up to like $189. So I've lowered my prices, and I've seen a couple people add it to the cart, but abandoned checkout. So I've seen more action since I've lowered the price. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I can't really lower the price that much more. It costs me $80 to $90 just to make it with the design, shipping, everything. So I'm not making a killing. At $109, I'm making like $19 or $20 per sale. So, you know, maybe $30 if it's the cheap one, and they're close. So it just depends on a lot of different factors, but I'm not making a lot on that. So I don't know if I could drop the price anymore. Or come up with something else to sell that's cheaper. You know, we already went with the crappy design, so I know I'm not going to try to get cheaper artists. I know that's not the way to go. But I'm trying out here, so I'm just checking in. We'll see what happens. All right, guys, I didn't get a chance to show you today, but yesterday I made my first sale. What? There it is. Right there. Can you guys see that? I made my first sale, small canvas. Right on. That's with shipping and everything. I got paid. So I have some expenses. So they paid $129.29. Already deducted from that is the processing fee for Shopify to do the payment. So I pay my artist $35. It'll be $30 to create the canvas, $9 to ship it. So that is $65, $75. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Anyways, that is my first sale. But I know in the beginning of the video, or in my first video, I said that I wasn't going to include in-person sales. I lied. This sale didn't actually come from an ad or online. It was someone that goes to my church, and they saw what I did, and so they purchased it and paid me cash in person. It was just easier for them than going on the website. So Yeah, they saw it and noticed it through someone else that I gave away a free, I gave away some free canvases to my friends to use their images. They saw that. They asked me about it. They paid in cash in person. I'm cool with that. I'm going to count it, honestly, because I haven't made any sales and I'm broke. But it's my first sale, so I'm pretty excited about that. So you guys can see that here. What is up, guys? Yeah, this is Canvas My Family. So I just wanted to give you guys an update. I made my first sale the other day. Not much has happened since, but I did decide to do something, offer a cheaper alternative for my customers. And I've decided to add a digital file only. So for $54 to $65, depending on what design they pick, they can get the digital file and they can have it for social media. They can have it for whatever purposes they want. They can go print it themselves. You can honestly, to be honest, you can find a cheaper place to print than you can go to Costco and get it printed for just a little bit cheaper. Not much. I'm not making money on the printing. I'm making money on the design. And so I've given a cheaper alternative. It's only been 1 day since I implemented this. So I've already seen one abandoned cart. Someone messaged me about it on my contact form, and I've had a lot more action on the page. So I think this was my ticket. I was really shocked to see that a lot of people weren't interested. So I think the price was the issue. So I've lowered the price, given an alternative, because I really couldn't lower my price anymore. So I came up with something new. Think it's going to work. So that is what's happening. I think I only have 1 or 2 more days left in the challenge for this video. I've only made 1 sale. I hope it picks up, because the next video that you guys see, I will just be crying and my credit card will be maxed out and I will have failed you guys, and I don't like that. So I'll check back in when if anything happens. I feel like every clip I've made in this video is a white shirt, and it's different days, I swear. I think my ads suck. I made my video and I've been marketing it, so I think it sucks, to be honest. I watched it again. I was like, this is horrible. So I've paid someone $35 on Fiverr. They actually made an ad for another custom Printful or another custom store. They do socks, and their ad was he had this ad on his Fiverr listing, and I was like, wow, this is perfect. It explained exactly what we do, what they did, and just made it like plain and clear, and I loved it. It was very good. So I contacted him. He said he would be able to change that and tweak it, use that as inspiration for my ad. So I sent him everything. I ordered it. We'll see when I get it back. I don't think that'll be in this video, but I've turned off all my ads for now. I'm going to wait until I get that video, and we'll try again. With the money that I made from that one sale and the remaining money that I have in my credit card, I think we might have like $50 to try again. Gosh, I hope we get some sales. How exciting would that be? I just want to keep this going. Don't have much profit right now. Actually, we're like almost $450 negative, but I'm not going to give up. I'm determined to see Canvas My Family successful. When I tell people about it and they see the canvases, they absolutely love them. They think it's so cool. So I think it's really cool. So that's it for this video, guys. I will see you in the next one. My name is Justin. I make videos about side hustles, business ideas, and, well, challenges about making money. So that is it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. If you haven't watched the first video, go ahead and check that out. See you later.